Hello, my name is Christina Stevoff, and today I'm going to talk about the Arctic ice melting at record low. The three main outlines I'm going to be talking about is the purpose, the main point, and the conclusion. The purpose is basically pointing out on how and why the Arctic ice is melting and what is causing this to happen. For the main point is basically explaining what is the main reason why everything is happening: climate change, sea level rising. And for the conclusion is how us people and how we can prevent this change to stop the ice melting and the climate change and what we can do to stop this. Sea level loss is one of the main effects of global warming. The increased surface temperatures of the planet is led from the melting of the ice in the Arctic Sea. The main impact it has is affecting animals living in that biome, as well as worldwide weather patterns. Basically, global warming has been the biggest threat for us. The rapid burning of fossil fuels has ruined our environment and caused the polar ice to melt, which is basically gas and electricity. Sea levels are rising due to the ice melting. Two main reasons why it's melting is the thermal expansion that causes the ocean to have very warm temperatures, and the ice sheets in the Arctic melting due to the global warming that we are having. What we can do to change the climate, number one thing is we would literally have to limit the fossil fuels in the world by getting electrical cars, trying to limit our electrical everything in the world. We need to plant trees to, have more oxygen in the world. And we need to support companies and politicians who are leading the change towards a new low carbon future so we can have our voice heard to the president that could help us, and we could figure out maybe new laws or new ways that we can figure out how we can do climate change. This past July, that I've read that it was the hottest month recorded ever worldwide. And what was worse is it's happening mainly in Europe, which the temperatures were over 110 degrees and you couldn't even walk outside. And even our very own Alaska, which is supposed to be a very cold climate, was record rating at 80 degrees, which is, we need to pay attention and look around us on what we are doing. Here are my references that I've used, that understanding all for the information that I've tried to find on why the sea levels are melting. What the problem is some people don't believe that global warming is there. But the main issue is that making a big impact in our world could really help us with everything. I hope you find this outline helpful. Thank you.